Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Thank you for coming back to my English class. Today we are going to discuss about grammar review. Look here. Oh yeah. How are you today? I hope you are good. Okay, now we start to discuss about grammar review today. And let's look here pronouns. Yeah. Hari ini kita akan membahas tentang grammar review ya dari buku K13 page 11, 12 and 13. Okay. Now let's start from pronouns. Sekarang kita mulai dari pronouns ya. Apa itu pronouns? What is pronouns? Okay. In self-introduction and also in other communication activities, pronouns are frequently used to prevent unimportant repetition. Pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun, such as I, you, me, it, they, we, she, him, us. Oke, itu namanya yang disebut pronoun, atau pronoun itu bahasa Indonesia adalah kata ganti ya, seperti I, you, me, it, they, we, she, him, us. Ya, biasanya itu seperti kata pengulangan ya, kata yang tidak perlu kita ulang lagi tapi kita ganti ya, seperti I, you, me, it, they, we, she, him, us, seperti di sini. Oke, read the following sentences. Baca kalimat di bawah ini. Okay, let's listen to me. Alia wants to have many pen pals because Alia likes making friends. Alia's pen pals come from many parts of the world. Caroline introduced Alia to Hannah. Now Hannah becomes Alia's pen pals. Hannah likes Alia a lot. Okay, Alia ingin mempunyai banyak sahabat pena karena dia suka ya berteman. Alia's pen pal, sahabat penanya berasal dari berbagai bagian negara. Caroline memperkenalkan Alia kepada Hannah. Sekarang Hannah menjadi teman sahabat penanya Alia. Hannah suka berteman dengan Alia. Okay, the words Alia is repeated 2 times. And then makes the sentences not interesting. Nah, katanya kata Alia di sini ya sering mengulang ya, Alia di sini sering mengulang ya. Jadi membuat kata itu seperti kalimat itu kurang menarik gitu ya. To make the sentences better, we can replace Alia with pronouns. Nah, untuk membuat sentence atau kalimat itu lebih menarik, kita bisa menggantikan Alia ini dengan pronouns. Coba lihat kalimat ini setelah diganti tadi ya. Let's look this. Alia wants to have many pen pals because she likes making friends. Her pen pals come from many parts of the world. Caroline introduced her to Hannah. Now Hannah becomes Alia's pen pals. Hannah likes her a lot. Nah, jadi di sini ya, she, her, or the words underline di sini, kata yang digaris bawahi ini ya adalah atau disebut dengan pronouns, kata ganti ya, agar tidak ada lagi pengulangan seperti Alia. Jadi Alia ini kita ganti ya dengan pronouns. Okay, next, there are several types of pronouns. Ada beberapa jenis dari pronouns kata ganti, yaitu subjective, objective, possessive adjectives, and possessive pronouns. Read the following table and the following explanations. Mari kita baca jenis-jenis atau tipe dari pronouns kata ganti itu sendiri. Coba lihat di sini, like look. Let's look subjective atau subject ya. I, you, he, she, we, they, it. Saya, kamu, dia laki-laki, dia perempuan, kita, mereka, it. Itu kata ganti juga ya. Ini namanya subject, it. Oke, objeknya, objektif. Me, you, him, her, us, them, it. Me, saya, you, him, her. Him itu dia laki-laki, her dia perempuan, us kita atau kami, them mereka, it. Ya, ini yang disebut dengan objektif. Sedangkan possessive adjective, apa sih itu possessive adjective? Yaitu my, your, his, her, our, their, its. Mine, saya, your, Anda, his, dia laki-laki, her, dia perempuan, our, kita atau kami, their, mereka, its. Ya, ini kata ganti dari they tadi ya. They, of, them, their. Oke. Ini sedangkan yang ini adalah possessive pronouns. Apa itu possessive pronouns? Seperti mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, its. Mine ini kepunyaan saya, yours kepunyaan Anda, his dia laki-laki, hers dia perempuan, ours kami, kita, theirs mereka, its. Jadi ini sepertinya plural ya. Coba kita lihat di sini perbedaannya. I, saya, me, kata gantinya me, my, mine ya. You, your, yours. He, him, his, his. She, her, hers. We, us, our, ours. They, mereka, them, their, theirs. Nah, sebenarnya ini hampir sama artinya, cuman dia perbedaannya adalah dia sebagai kata ganti. Untuk lebih jelasnya, mari kita lihat contoh ini ya. Number 1 yaitu adalah subjective pronouns are the subject of a sentence. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Coba read the following sentences. Bacalah kalimat di bawah ini. Pay attention to the underlined words as examples of subjective pronouns. Mari kita baca contoh di bawah ini. I have 3 dogs. Ya, I ini tadi subjeknya ya. You like to have many pen pals. He studies in an elementary school. Dia belajar di sekolah dasar. She will get married. Dia akan menikah. We love Indonesia. Kita cinta Indonesia. They need attention. Mereka perlu perhatian. It barks when it is heavy. Nah, ini adalah beberapa contoh dari subject pronoun. Subject ya, seperti I, we, they tadi. Sedangkan objeknya atau objective pronouns seperti me, him, her, it, us, them, you. Coba kita baca contoh di bawah ini. I know Caroline. She introduced me to you via email. Oke, nah berarti me ini adalah pronouns dari I tadi ya. My brother is an elementary school student. Saudara saya sekolah di sekolah dasar. Sometimes I accompany him to go to school. Kadang-kadang saya menemani dia pergi ke sekolah. Oke, see. My sister is good student. Kakak saya adalah siswa yang baik. Her campus gave her scholarship. Ya, kampusnya memberi dia beasiswa. Oke. D, we love animals. Kami cinta binatang. Last week, our neighbor gave us a funny kitten. Nah, us ini dia membahas kata ganti dari we tadi ya. And then, they run the family business seriously. Customers like them. A, the run the family business seriously. Customers like them very much. Okay. They run the family business seriously. Customers like them very much. They, subjeknya objective pronouns, them. The fur of the cat is soft, like stroke it. We like stroke it. Okay. It ini ya kata ganti dari the fur of the cat tadi, the fur. Okay. Next, possessive adjectives are words that indicate possession. Possessive adjectives are used with nouns. Nah, ini seperti ini ya. Possessive adjective itu my, your, her, his, our, their, its. Contoh, examples. I have a penful. My penful is very kind. Saya punya sahabat pena. Sahabat pena saya sangat baik. Jadi dia tidak mengulang lagi pakai I, tapi dia kata ganti pronoun. Di sini my. I have a penful. My penful is very kind. You have 3 dogs. Your dogs need a lot of attention. He studies in an elementary school. His school is not far. Dia belajar di sekolah dasar. His school, sekolah dasarnya, is not far, tidak jauh. Jadi, possessive adjective dari he tadi, subjeknya adalah his. Ya. She loves reading books. Dia suka membaca buku. Her books are in that cupboard. Buku-bukunya berada di lemari. We run the business together. Kami menjalankan bisnis bersama-sama. Our business is good. Bisnis kami berjalan dengan baik. They frequently come here. They frequently come here. Akhir-akhir ini mereka datang ke sini. This park is their favorite place. Halaman ini adalah tempat favorit mereka. They objeknya, possessive, karena adjectives-nya adalah their. The kitten is funny. Kucing itu lucu. Its tail moves fast when it's happy. Ya. Jadi the kitten is funny. Kitten itu tidak perlu kita ulang. Jadi kita hanya menggantinya dengan its. Oke. Next, possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, his, her, ours, their. Ini namanya possessive pronouns. Kata ganti kepunyaan ya. Contoh, this is my book. Ini adalah buku saya. This book is mine. Buku ini kepunyaan saya. These are your dog. Anjing ini adalah anjing Anda. These dogs are yours. Anjing-anjing ini adalah kepunyaan kamu. His school is far from here. Sekolah ini jauh dari sini. His is far. Her book is interesting. Punya menarik. Hers is interesting. Their family business is good. Theirs is good. Our plan has many alternatives. Ours has many alternatives. Jadi semua yang di garis bawahi ini yang disebut dengan possessive pronouns. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. I hope you satisfied for these explanations. See you for the next explanation. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.